Hey guys, want to know why? Keep watching. Tesla's jack points aren't like normal cars. You can't just use normal jack stands because the car doesn't have pinch welds. Heck, for that matter, you can't even use one jack. You have to use two just to jack up one side. So I know what you're thinking. Why do I need jack pads when the car has very little maintenance? Now, while that's true, it doesn't mean that the car doesn't need to be raised every once in a while. Consider these points on why you need to get jack pads right now. If you get a flat tire right now, the tow truck guy probably isn't going to have jack pads to properly lift the car. Remember, the core of the car, the batteries, are the entire bottom of the car. Would you want your tow truck guy to try and lift the car not properly? That could cause thousands in damage not doing it right. And I've even heard stories that even the Tesla mobile techs sometimes don't even have jack pads. Yes, the car has very little maintenance, but one maintenance item you're gonna need to do sooner or later is get new tires. So usually I bring my cars to America's Tire when I get new tires, and a shop like that is probably not gonna have jack pads, so you wanna make sure you have your own just in case they don't. Just for peace of mind. And same thing like any other place like Costco or Big O or Wheelworks, they're probably not going to have jack pads, so you want to be able to provide them with that so they don't damage the car. In theory, since there's a lot of Teslas out there now and they're going to be continuing to grow, they might get jack pads at some point, but these are big companies, so the bureaucracy is probably going to get in the way and they might not have them by the time your car needs new tires. Or let's say you live somewhere where it snows. Lots of people put on snow tires and they can do it themselves. I actually used to do that on my STI. If you've seen my channel from, videos from a long time ago, I do my own tire rotations and all sorts of maintenance. And so that's something you can easily do. But if you don't have jack pads, you can't do it because you're not going to be able to lift the car properly. So that's another reason why you could DIY jack pads or get a set from Reverse Logic or another company, because that's going to be a twice a year thing, summers and winter tires. And if you take it to shop, they're going to charge you for that every time. So if you got your own, you don't have to pay that charge. And I have my own DIY jack pad tutorial if you want to watch that. It only cost me about $15, and I think that's totally worth it to be able to protect your car. But even if you're too lazy to do that, like I said, Reverse Logic makes a set. It's about $100, which is kind of pricey in my opinion. And there's a couple other companies out there that make jack pads as well. So in my opinion, it's not worth it to pay $100 when I made my own, but that's your call. Watching this video, does it put a premium on getting jack pads ASAP? Why or why don't you want to get jack pads right now? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.